Hi YouTubers. I am on Animal Jam, as you can see, and I am having a mail time. Buddy me. Hi. I really like your costume. Well, thank you. Add me. Animal Jam rock. Animal Jam rock. Animal Jam rock. Animal Jam rock. Hi. Discovery and birthday bash. Oh yeah, that's code. You are so cool. Thank you. So sweet. Animal Jam rock. Thank you. Hi. 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 Here you go. Thank you. Maybe I'll have 3 of those. Hi. Hi.
Never look
Hi.
under my balcony.
Hi. 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 Animal Jam rock. Thank you. Hi. 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 Okay, she's really obsessed with me. Hi. Hi. Hey, honeycomb. Animal Jam rock. Do me now. Do you want to trade? No, sorry. Friendship Festival. Let's be buddies. Want to be buddies? Hi. Let's be buddies. Animal Jam rock. You are so cool. Animal Jam rock. 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 Want to be buddies? Why do you want people to give you jamograms? Because I want to have mail time. Pandas rock. Oh, thank you. And here's another one. Animal Jam rock. Hi, this is a jamogram. Ooh, I'm so fascinated. Here is a jamogram. Now jam rock. Ooh, thank you. I found my second one. Now jam rock. I thought he was sorry. And that's all. I think. Bye. This is all. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.